Hello, my dearest brothers and sisters in Christ in Ohio. My name is Nicholas Kantardzis, 88 years old. I am Professor Emeritus of Landscape Architecture of the Aristotelian University of Thessaloniki and Agricultural University of Athens. I have been chairman of Kerameas, the potter, for the past 6 years because of my love and heart for the drug addicts. Kerameas is a drug rehabilitation center that builds new creatures in Christ. In the past 6 years we have bought 10 acres near Thessaloniki, but our housing facilities are old and non-functional anymore. We have got building permit for 7 buildings and God's willing to start construction next May 2012. We are very thankful to God for the funds He has provided so far, and are especially to Gary Beery and all the brothers and sisters from USA and Ohio in particular for their practical and financial assistance. God bless you.